If this never-ending pandemic has you wanting to escape to a new reality, let me introduce you to the Oculus Quest 2, a truly immersive way to entertain yourself, work out, and watch movies. How's it going, everyone? I'm Devin Howard on Instagram as @DevinHoward. Welcome back to another episode of Unbox This. Today, I'm unboxing the Oculus Quest 2, the latest VR headset that's full of new ways to game, exercise, and consume your favorite content. VR lets you totally dive into a whole new reality while tuning out the world around you. If you're desperate for a way to unwind after a long day, or you just want to surround yourself in your favorite games and movies, the Quest 2 is your fast track there. Contrary to popular belief, the Quest 2 is not built just for gamers. Yeah, you totally can use it while gaming, but it also works as an immersive fitness tool, and it's an awesome way to tune into your favorite shows, movies, and even concerts and sporting events. So let's get to it, you guys. It is time to unbox this. Here's another way to escape reality: ASMR. I need to work on my ASMR artistry a little bit. So for now, let's stick to unboxing. At this. Okay, first thing out of the box, I've got a couple things here, is the headset. So this is what you would put on to just dive into whatever world you want to live in. Let's take off some of this paper here. Now here you have a cover to put onto the headset if you want it. Here's a glasses spacer. If you want to use your headset while wearing glasses, this is what you're going to use to be able to do that. These are your controllers. These kind of act as your virtual hands. Here's your power adapter and the charging cord. You've got the reference guide and the Oculus Quest 2 safety and warranty guide. All right, so that's everything that comes in the box. Let's talk about the Oculus Quest 2. The Oculus headset is wire-free, so you're not confined to your home when you want to use it. You can take it with you on vacations or train rides or even over to a friend's house for wireless fun wherever you go. So let's talk specs. With 1,832 by 1,920 pixels per eye, everything from multiplayer games and productivity apps to 360-degree videos look detailed and amazing. Built-in speakers give you 3D cinematic positional audio, meaning your sound experience is going to be just as good as your visual one. These touch controllers make your virtual hands feel like your own hands, but if you're not into the controllers, you can also play using your own hands with hand tracking tech. Processing power is super impressive with the Quest 2. You get 6 gigs of RAM along with the super-speedy Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 platform, guaranteeing a smooth user experience. You'll be able to take advantage of all the top-tier features on the Quest 2 regardless of what you're watching. You can tune into multiplayer games, join friends at a live concert, get your sweat on doing an instructor-led workout, and connect with friends in VR. If you're not ready to get your fitness on scaling a mountain or jumping up and down at your favorite band's show, you can also just sit back, relax, and watch a movie. It's really easy to connect with Facebook friends in VR, or if you'd like to meet someone new, you can do that too. You have the freedom to play, create, and collaborate in virtual reality. You suddenly have access to a whole new world. Okay, so let's test it out. Gonna pop this baby on. I've only done VR one time and it made me really dizzy, so I hope I don't have that experience this time. All right, I'm ready to go. All right, I'm playing Beat Saber for the first time. I'm clicking play. Oh, it's starting. Oh. Wow, okay, starting off strong here. Woo. Oh, there's arrows on, I understand. Oh, shoot. Wow, I'm so good at this game. Woo! This is so much fun. And it's like kind of a good workout too, which I wasn't expecting from a game like this. And the song's like super intense. Like I might as well be at a rave right now. It's like some intense dubstep. Woohoo! Whoa, that is such a cool experience. I honestly didn't know what to expect trying out the Oculus Quest 2, because like I said before, virtual reality, the last time I tried it, made me so dizzy, but this time it was actually so cool. I love this. The Quest 2 is a solid piece of hardware that delivers spectacular high-quality audio and video, so you can dive right into whatever it is you're watching. Virtual reality lets you explore a new world and experience new things without ever needing to leave your home. If you'd like to buy one of these for yourself, go ahead and click the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. Let me know what games and movies you like to watch using your Oculus Quest 2 headset in the comment section below. I'm Devin Howard, thanks for watching, and we just unboxed this. Bye guys!